What up, what up? Prospector Phil here, just getting ready to build a campfire out in Gold Country in Idaho. So I figured I'd show you how to build a proper campfire here. First thing we need is, of course, a good fire pit and a little bit of fuel here. This is actually all one log, believe it or not. I chopped it up earlier. And all I'm going to do is build my log cabin. Now I'm going to want something down in the middle there, some sort of tinder or something that I can get the flame going. So before we get any further, let's get to that. Yeah, good old toilet paper, that'll work great. So we'll just take some of that, put down in there. Now I kind of got a competition going between this one log I split up and this giant pile of twigs and sticks and stuff. So I'm going to see which one burns longer. Normally what I would do is I would take some bark and some little tiny twigs and use that as my tinder down here. But since I got the competition going, I'm just going to have to go with the smallest pieces of this log that I got here. So I got some fairly small pieces that we can kind of lay across there. Want to make sure we get some air up in there, and don't want to smother the fire before it gets going, but we got to give it something that it's going to catch. And then finally we'll take a couple more pieces and stick over it. And since this is a competition, I better get that one built up and get it ready to go too, because I want to see which will burn longer. I'm just going to use that right there. You can't have a proper campfire without a little Boy Scout water. Okay. And the right amount of Boy Scout water. We better make this fair. And there you go, the proper campfire. Yeah, just like that. All right, that worked like a charm.